taking notes, then changing my mind. In my head it feels so certain, out loud I hesitate every line. I practice the same few answers, hoping they will sound right. Every time I try to decide, I question myself tonight. So I pause a little longer, think before I speak. If I take a careful chance, will it be enough this week? It may not be enough, I know, but I wanna give it a try. It might turn out okay, we'll see. Even if I don't get it right, may I take a little risk? Might I reach a little more? I'm learning step by step, there's more I can explore. I don't need to have all answers, I just wanna take my chance. Not just wait for perfect timing while my words stay in a trance. I've got ideas I've been holding, thoughts I've kept in my head. Every small step I'm taking brings me closer to what I said. So I breathe and try again, even if I feel unsure. If I hedge a little kindly, maybe someone will reassure. It may not be enough, I know, but I wanna give it a try. It might turn out okay, we'll see. Even if I don't get it right, may I take a little risk? Might I reach a little more? I'm learning step by step, there's more I can explore. Every try is progress, even when I feel too slow. If I give myself permission, I might surprise the world I know. It may not be enough, I feel, but I'm stronger than before. It might just work, who knows? I'll keep reaching for the door. May I take a little risk? Might I show a little more? I'm learning step by step, and I'm fine.